Hello friends, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to learn opposite words in English. So let's begin. Alive, dead, bottom, top, empty, full, all, none, boy, girl, and begin. Allow, forbid, brave, cowardly, and beginning. Already, not yet. Break, fix, ending, beginning. Ancient, modern, broad, narrow, enemy, friend, ancestor, descendant, careful, careless, enjoy, hate, agree, refuse, catch, miss, entrance, exit, amateur, professional, ceiling, floor, equal, different, amuse, bore, cellar, attic, even, odd, certainly, probably, excited, calm, angel, devil, clever, stupid, animal, human, close, open, exclude, include, annoy, satisfy, closed, open, exit, entrance, answer, question, cloudy, clear, failure, success, antonym, synonym, cold, heat, far, near, apart, together, compliment, insult, fear, courage. argue, agree, dangerous, safe, female, male. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.